Danicom channel, where we have promised to be taking our time and walk you through basic security issues of your device, be it tablets, laptop, desktop computer or phone. Don't forget to click on the notification bell and hit on the subscription button so that anytime we post a video, you will get a notification. In today's video, I'm going to show you two simple things that will make your phone very fast and also prevent other applications from spying or monitoring you. Remember, Android users are always at risk. So click on the notification bell as I said, and quickly let's go over to our phone and I will show you how to make your phone very fast and also how to prevent some applications from monitoring or spying you using your own phone as a spy against you. Remember, at Danicom, we bring you information that will enlighten or open your eyes on certain security issues. And so quickly pick your handset. Don't be in a hurry to go. I'm going to show you two tips that will make your phone very fast and also prevent other applications from spying you using your camera, your Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi, even the location. When it is on, it can even be used to track your movement. Don't forget to also share the video so that somebody can also be enlightened. Thank you very much. Quickly, let's start. And so quickly we will go through our phone, and when we get to the phone, we will scroll through the icons. When we get to the phone, we will scroll through the icons. And so as we are scrolling through the icon, we are looking for the settings of the phone. So you click on the settings. When you click on settings, you navigate down and you see an option called developer options. You click on the developer option. So when you come to the developer option, a lot of informations are in the developer option. As you can see, there are a lot. The developer of the Android device hide a lot of information from the end user, and so you are supposed to enable developer option mode so that you will be able to have access to all these features so that you can now take charge of your own device. For security reasons, you have to enable your own developer option so that you'll be able to turn off certain things in the developer mode when you are using your Android device. Remember, in the previous video, I taught you how to enable developer option. And so if you have not watched that video, kindly go back one step and go watch that video to see how you will be able to enable developer option on. But now that you have been able to watch that video and you know how to enable developer mode, now we go into developer. So as you are in the developer mode, you can see window animation skill. You click on window animation skill and you put it off. Initially it's always on 1.5 or 1x. You put it off. Then now you go to animation skill, the same thing. You do another one for animator duration. You put all these three things off. This is going to make your phone very fast than before. And so still in the developer mode, you look for what we call quick settings developer tiles. You click on it and you can see that by default all these things you see here are sending information from your device, and so by default all the things you see here are on. As you can see, the sync is on. This means that your information can be sent to any app that requires that your camera should be used, any app that requires that your location should be used, and many more. And so at this case, or in this point, we are going to turn sensor off. And when you turn sensor off, what it means is that your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, your camera, your location and other things, you have turned them off, and so you won't be even able to use them unless when you want to use them you on it yourself. And so for instance, if you swipe up here, you can see that we have sensor added to the icons up here. So at this point you can be owning the icon and then offing it anytime you want. So as I did right now, the sensor is off. As it is off, camera, locations, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other things that uses sensors won't work on your device. Take note, some applications that uses your sensor won't work when you put it off, meaning you can't be spied, you can't be monitored, you can't be tracked. And so if you want to use your own camera, for instance, you click on the sensor to put it off before you can use your camera. Don't forget to click on the subscribe. Thank you very much. In the subsequent video, I will take my time and walk you through when you come to the developer mode. A lot of informations are there, what they all do and why you must enable them or disable them. Thank you very much once again for watching this short video.